and she's enjoying her view. And I'm about to take a trip to the front desk to get some extra pillows and things. So come along for the ride. Wow. All right, here we go. This is a place in Negril, Jamaica called The Caves. And so far, we are very impressed. It's quaint and rustic. There's only 12 cabins in the whole place. And so we met most of the other people staying here at breakfast this morning. Look at this water. It's like a swimming pool, except better. So far, this is a 100% recommend, but I'll give a full review on our last day. We're here 7 days. So far, we've been here. We got here very late last night due to some travel problems. This is our first morning. And as you can see, it's pretty spectacular. There is one of the caves down there. We saw somebody on a float up in that cave, which I will be trying, I assure you. There is public hot tub. I'm told there's a private hot tub in a cave that you can reserve, which that's what I'm heading to the front desk to do. There is a small swimming pool with a view that is pretty darn good. And the front desk is up this way. Very tropical, very beautiful, very quiet, very chill. And here is the front desk area.